table.
Drummer Nation, I'm your host. Let's get right into the news. Drummer Nation.
Yesterday I posted a Facebook status asking people to smash their faces into their keyboard and then post the results so that we could all see. And upon seeing some of these results, I noticed that some people did not have a clear and informed understanding on exactly how to smash your face into your keyboard. So I thought I would make a short instructional video here, displaying and explaining the correct methods of smashing your face into your keyboard. So there are two important factors when you're going to smash your face into something. The first is velocity, the actual velocity of your head going towards the keyboard, and second is how many times you impact the keyboard.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh.
So I'll give you a quick example right now of how not to do it, and then we'll explain afterwards. Okay, so that was bad for a couple reasons. First, because there wasn't a lot of velocity at all. It was more of a push than it was a smash. And second, I only hit the keyboard once. So I'm only going to get a couple letters at most, maybe. So here's another example. Again, just watch. Okay, so that was better. That was better than the first one.
Are you sure about that?
It was faster, there was more velocity, there was more of a good smash on the keyboard. However, I still only hit it once. So, no matter how fast I hit the keyboard, you're still only going to get a few letters if you only hit it once. So, right now I'm going to demonstrate how to properly smash your face into your keyboard. So this is what you should be trying to replicate when asked to do something like this. So just watch carefully.